Yeah, right. Get both of them. I don't want to lose that.
Should took video of me being stuck up there.
You wouldn't have been stuck if it wasn't for us.
It is what it is. Thank God for these guys, you know?
Well, it's lucky he was coming up the hill.
Yep.
Because we would have stopped up there and never saw you. Like I said, I don't go through this shit. I've learned my lesson on this a long time ago.
It's white on turning around.
So did you flag them down?
Yeah, he did.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yep.
I saw. I got close enough to see that he had a winch on the front bumper.
And we were just stuck up to our running boards here, up in this other snowbank up here, and we got to still get back through there.
All right, so you're the puller.
You,
so what's
you want me to give it a
him?
yank, or you want me to tighten it up first?
No, you're gonna. Let's try with tightening it up.
Yeah.
Because he's going backwards. All we want to do is just get him past the snow drift.
Yeah.
If it looks like you're just going to spin and not do it, this thing's heavy. You should be able to pull him.
Yeah.
So go ahead and get in it. Get it started. He's in it. Ready to go?
All right. Yeah,
just
pull slow tension.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
I've got him in 4 low again.
Yeah, you should be able to pull him easy.
Yeah, you're a lot heavier than he is.
We got excitement today.
Indeed.
I'm glad we could tell backseat.
Yep.
All right, back up and yank him. A little bit further. Right there. And just go. Hit him hard. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Done. Good.
Good. Good. It's not over yet, though. Not over yet.
No.
Don't clap until we're up there.
Yeah, exactly.
He can turn around up there.
We got one more snowdrift to get through.
Yeah, you can see how deep this is. I mean, we were up to the running boards right through here.
And I'm the one that caused it.
Yeah, no.
It was me.
Hey, it happens, right?
Shit happens.
So now we got to try to dig some of this out and hope we don't get stuck.
Kick the snow into the rut.
What's that?
He said kick the snow into
Oh,
the rut.
yeah, I kind of get that.
I mean, it's already the bottom of the rut.
Yeah.
Can't hurt it.
Right, yeah.
We went to, my brother-in-law lives in Pismo Beach.
Back up for a running start.
Yeah, get a good run. And the people that were there earlier were digging holes, trying to get people stuck.
Oh, jeez.
So how many deers can you guys get?
We in California
apiece.
2 if we ever see.
Can you get a doe permit in California?
No.
Or no. No.
Come on, big truck.
Far enough.
Go forward, go.
Stay in the ruts.
It's easier said to do, I think.
Four high. Not 4 low.
He's saying Hail Mary, full of grace. Not 4 low?
No.
Oh, we better tell Robert that.
No, because you want to get a good running start. And 4 low is going to...
Too slow.
Too slow.
In the ruts.
Good job.
Go, go, go! You got it! Yes! There's one.
1 down, 1 to go.
I'm impressed with this thing. Because
Yeah.
it's fast.
He's got it. He's got it. No problem. Come on, baby.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
You got it.
You got it.
And we're done.
Sweet. Yes.
All right. That was a lot of fun, even though it was a little, I guess, not scary getting stuck in there, but a little worrisome, should I say, getting stuck in there. Try not to get stuck in this next snowbank up here. Get around the Jeep, but there's old Johnny. There we go. Get around this snowbank, and all right, that's a hard lesson learned, right? Make sure you know what you're driving through Whenever I initially started through that snowbank, I thought it was like just a small little snowbank, not very deep, and didn't expect the hard-packed, ice-packed snow. So anyway, live and learn, good lesson. And we got out, everybody's in good shape, no broken or damaged vehicles, and we're good to go. So here's our spot down here, man, check this out. This is the first day we're here when that guy came down and asked us to come down and help him. Just got here a few hours ago. This is a gorgeous spot here. And there's Selena, waiting for Daddy to come home. Hi, Selena.